a taxi driver, a Trotro driver, not GPRTU, you would agree there. One to fair no to 15%. Not the one sabesi will bother will pay. There, nana. But we have seen you guys what you do. Chida dollar and cost so 3 seconds in a way increase.
1 second.
See, I can't travel there. A drive with them road you do every day, be and every week be a spare part.
No.
Spare parts Ben are shocks.
No.
Lower armor na and now bushing. Ibejina ha catcher and the eto spare parts.
Kauna de sofa.
Car owners now what to spare parts no. Drivers na trotro drivers woman yan journey yan. Woman yan jai dame physical abeyi semizi. Now what's the one somewhere then when you nimpa. We all have to build Ghana collectively.
Yeah.
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problem. I want problem. Always.
You get it. If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it.
Yes, yeah. How can you tell me this story?
All the lie. You said all the lie.
Talk to the rich.
Hello, beautiful people. We're from DJ Paco Rich. Now, Hanami Paco Rich Studios. Now, I am not here alone. Me and my brother,
BKB original.
where we day here.
Yeah, man.
Now, today, the CD na yara kana have someone. Waba phone. We able to PKB, we able to hen.
We able do 10 points, baby.
10.45. So that is 10 Ghana cedis, 45 pesos.
To a dollar.
And now on the streets, the only word you hear is hey!
Ato.
Hey!
Ato forcing.
We had people in this country and they were telling us, oh, hey, you're a 9-day wonder. By next week in a dollar, no, I send out 17 cedis. Yes, sir. On my way for how far?
US-China trade war.
Ukraine war how far? The dollar is still sinking. Or sinking a Titanic boat. So yo, bro, tell us, when will your dollar now make it prophecy about question? Because the Atu we know is doing what?
Forcing.
Atu is forcing, but we have some demonic citizens here.
Aye.
We really need to put them in their place.
Yeah.
So I don't know why the governments of the day would do everything possible to reduce fuel prices, make sure the dollar and baba foam. Now where you're driving, a taxi driver, a Trotro driver, not GPRTU, you would agree there. One to fair no to 15%. Not the one sabesi will bother will pay. There, nana. But we have seen you guys what you do. Chida dollar and cost so 3 seconds in a way increase.
1 second.
And the most painful thing is that you people talk as if we know they drive. To tell me there's spare parts wanted to. That is the reason why you are not going to reduce the prices of fare. Now, brother Mimbisau, PKB, you know the road from Medina to La Paz. Is it a bad road?
Also, fully tired road, completely tired.
Empty.
Even to Kaswa.
Empty. I can't travel there. A drive with them road you do every day, be and every week be a spare part.
No.
Spare parts Ben are shocks.
No.
Lower armor na and now bushings. Oh yeah, woman yan jai dame physical abeyi semizi. Now what's the one somewhere then when you nimpa. We all have to build Ghana collectively.
Yes.
Not be one person will go do what?
No.
Now them tell you say reduce prices. I say apostle can people say they no go reduce spare parts. Meanwhile, we not say some people reduce them prices. But I one day Nebuchadnezzar ring da. When was the last time I would where you use spare parts of the shaka? car na parts say and they go car owner do we are ibejina ha car and the eto spare parts
Car owner dey suffer.
car owners na what to spare parts no drivers na trotro drivers woman yan dwene yen ho na cars yen na ya twubi we have all lost money because dollar na befum but adwene yer dwene there yer dwene better Ghana
Yes.
not the interest personal interest
Individual interest.
because our soda as what 20 is ban or but sourdough.
Yes.
The one where they sell water to go sourdough. Obi back at Chamana if you're of what to rent that. I want ya was ubi better than I or you progressively. Into Masawana a binary and affirmacy. Let us not make Nejumore and cost 90 because of with dirty political affiliation. I'm wifeful. Would you know what bumpy there? Dollar no question one kede man can't show. And can't show one na. And can't show one na. You are only hoping for the worst to happen because you feel that what party is not in power.
Yeah, they trying to fruma.
Eba be summon
Yeah, the party they trying to fruma.
Sabia kwana rekotaza will be so there you party card. Let us all be Ghanaians at this time and ensure that we have a better Ghana. PKB. Also, there when a Canadian Poma Brown.
I mean, it's simple. Anyama you say na me feel say anka yanko back to military days because me say Ghanaians are very difficult to respond to discipline. Adia Ghana ni was say on one kasa oye no. Or per se obi nka nkyere na obi prompting and say ye say answer na why and I say I just want the force. At the force sense on answer na why. To me the late Jerry John all his days in there maybe tea Satan maybe TB na me draw but I feel say that system should work for Ghanaians because you come Accra ye pama man for say omonja the ton war bridge so near you know or say wa ma three into no aha no ye adwuma aha no ton ade de show into no man ton ade o ya pama mo ma saba back
Yeah.
Almost saba back o it say ye bet na like say ye bet na o man mu na ye see ye pe o man ye na aba mu ne ye na fa mu de na ye ne timi o man for ne ye ye dia and the o man e be de akonanim we
always blaming them.
Yes. Every day you blame you. A do time I was say yes, you be there was say yeah. Na omo ton because you say I know aban na make sure say city no traders be free hold.
Yeah.
But who citizen now you trade down and then I wo ye dia boa aban no. Na oman no mu nda ho kan aban na bomodin apamon kola ye free street. Omo free street to see obi ambegina o kan when ball glass. Oga give me your water. Oga give me your buffalo. No. And so the idea na wo ye. What's that call? And I will turn ade wo dollar na ba from tete so I say on teso. And so nka yesi ye man nko suru sisi a yesi ya tumu a.
Hey.
Into na adwen na yedi memo ha ne de.
Adwen think what saying.
Adwen think kwa military way because I was say a static gwa amanfo.
And by fata.
No.
Either binominia case. And you know one thing that I also want to appeal to the government. See, it's about time our government must strengthen its transportation methods. If you think that the government's transporting here enough and or you're good, it's everywhere. Railways, local buses, local. The prices there has been regulated by the government.
To work.
Inti, I will try drive and I say, and so on. You'll be there. And people will be taking the government transport.
Yes. Me DJ me try me my car say me to about that. Until say you best solve transport issues. Me too can go be other but I feel say at least transport there the state has to run it. So Trotro for ni na umbe come abomu. Na mo de o makọ faako na ma ka say okay ye be yi mu. Mo am ye papa ye nim something ye the bus say mamo. Na ye reduce Trotro for na adwuma na ye ma o betimi aye adwuma na mo nya adwuma na. Ye be koy anim.
Yes.
Na ye push train system near there.
Yes.
It will work. It will be simple. It will take 5 years. We should be 5 to 10 years development plan. We should be able to fix our transport system. Let's get a lot of these rickety cars off the road.
Exactly.
Because state transport is enough.
Exactly. Indiscipline and you're more.
It's the open of GPRTU price wo say hey Charlie makoma cry aba
Charlie na ya driving ni bio ya to fuel ni bio but we are abiding by the rules of the land woman ye na collectively ni yenya no man ye na sebi yenja dam nyama ya ye you understand ya to aba we said we were looking for change. We have seen the government making efforts to change the narratives.
4 months.
Bosoma na pe inhu bi da ore woso baadze na ere yeza abo man. Mama yenye monke ye something which is the one for soldier for 6 and for Trotro. Na one country mo dem one sesa na masesa. If that is the case, I can't be obolo di bia one for soldier for 2 ntinem. Not driving animates when you polo pana. Yes. Yes.
So one for soldiers in Kusi Bridge no so Kanishi. Answer now was so better say yes and what's the 20. Now the only no hockey. You might only no hockey about baby or Jina say 20 or Jina ho no hockey and I say
oh
a honor Jina no
oh
hey
Sabi, as in I'm not surprised. You better demonstrate today 1 year footbridge. Why you are?
Yeah, but baby that I say
in a year tremo
Madina Zongo Junction.
In a nentrimum one bridge another. You go see cow they use footbridge.
Yeah, never see cow they use footbridge.
Oh, I go show you some of the pictures. I go show you some of
the cow they climb the footbridge.
They use the Fulani boys, they use the cows, they use the footbridge.
Hey.
The human beings they cross the N1.
Chale Madina Zongo Junction there me won't be down.
Atasa.
Demonstration I should tie obi ewunti yes enya bridge. Mr. Tam ube sisi aye ube ko sisi ama na zo.
Kwahwe tetegu sisi why a bridge? But still
omo na masie na omo ye di ade ne na omo di si road ni mu a omo ma omo wa
obetimu na wonu po a won ye bufun ye dame baller phone instead of kwekwa U-turn middle ayi na why a wado na odi motor ne ba fado across indiscipline will chroma hano doors
high very high
no either what's someone ye with them ba anyway guys let me know what you think in the comment section.
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problem. I want problem. Always.
You get it? You get it? If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it.
Yes, yeah. How can you tell me this story?
All the lie. All the lie. All the lie. You said all the lie.
Power to the rich.